Welcome back. Now, once you accept the invitation to join Morning Fame, you will have your own dashboard, and you can start with analytics, keyword research, or prototype. And those are the three basic areas of Morning Fame that you will be able to use. Once you plug your channel into Morning Fame, you will notice that the Analytics tab will give you ideas of what it is that is working inside of your channel. It will give you ideas on how strong your channel's performance is and where you can start training inside of Morning Fame to help you to improve your channel. It will tell you the videos that are doing well and increasing in popularity. And it will tell you what it thinks is happening on your channel and what you can do to assist the algorithm to promote what it is that you are doing. You can then go back to the top right tab, click on this link, and then go back to the Home tab. You will then see a Keyword Research tab. And the Keyword Research tab allows you to place input inside of Morning Fame and to work through 5 steps so that you can determine how a specific video can be properly optimized. Once you enter a keyword, you'll notice then that Morning Fame will give you an outlook for that specific keyword that you may want to consider instead. You can click on those keywords in order to make them the target search term that you want to use. Once you click on the keyword, you can choose it for the next step. You can then make determinations as to whether or not you want to use this specific keyword. If you want to save this keyword for later, you can click this button. And what you can then do is you can improve the elements so that your channel can rank your video. The artificial intelligence in this case interacts with your channel and then the algorithms inside of Morning Fame. You can then choose step 4 in order to create and optimize a title and description for your video. And you can then use Morning Fame to track the video's progress. We're going to stop the video right here. We're going to pick it up from the third phase of using Morning Fame.